Sean. I'm a stormwater inspector. It's kind of hard to isolate exactly what I do since we wear so many hats. I'm a quantifier. I am a resident connoisseur. I am a part engineer, part streamline delineator. We wear a lot of hats in this position. So you're probably wondering the purpose of being a stormwater inspector. To put it in a general sense, we prevent flooding. And to prevent flooding is a very large process that includes multiple divisions within the city. To begin with, usually most of the pipes are from the 40s or the 50s, and all of them are either incorrectly sized, so where they can't hold enough water and you start to flood, or they're starting to crumble into pieces. So we come back as they all fail at the same time, take them out, resize them, and make sure that they're all in the appropriate places and that they are capable of handling the amount of water that is pushed through them. That has to be at a specific elevation, like it can't be off by a tenth of an inch. I think I have to start over. Concrete has to be at 3600 PSI. I'm actually further away from the work zone because I don't have a safety vest right now, so that's for my safety and yours. If we look at one of these aspects of the project, we actually ran into an issue with our water main, so we had to do a relocation. We run into our biggest issue that we run into on the project site are utilities and groundwater. So when we're trying to progress the project, you always have to look out for the elevations of those, or you'll run completely or directly into a utility or groundwater issue.